Tip today for day number 4 comes from a question from Linda Walbers in Illinois. And she asked, where do I put it until I do it? That's a great question, Linda. Many people are asking that, and that's why there are piles of paper. So I want you to put in the 5 file folders that I use for sorting mail. There'll be a link to that, and you want to be sure to put it in the file marked to do. But you can only put it in the file if it's on a pad of paper, on your planner, on your desk. So number 1 is write it down, then put it in the to-do file, and then you take it out on the day you're going to do it. The second one is if it's medical, then you put it in the medical file in the front of that, and that's also listed that you need to do something. The third choice is to stair step it on top of your desk. So you could have the top 3 priorities you need to do stair stepped 1 inch on top of the other. And that way you can see, oh, this is the first thing I need to do when I sit down at my desk. I'm Marcia Ramsden, your organizing pro, and I coach people how to organize their whole setup. I also teach a class, Clean Your Desk, Clear Your Mind, and I would love to have you join me. Go to organizingpro.com and we can set up your desk and your paperwork so it's all filed, it all gets done, and you will be amazed at the relief that you feel. So tip number 4 is you need to go and find a place to put them as long as it's written on a list on your planner or on a pad of paper or on your computer on your desk. All right, talk to you soon.